Hi, I'm Scovia, and today I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe. And I'm so excited, really, I'm so excited. We are making rosemary potato cakes. They're so easy and very simple. So let's get making these potato cakes. I'm using a couple of potatoes, so I've peeled my potatoes and I've washed my potatoes. So I'm ready to boil my potatoes. So I'm going to place a pot on my stove, add some water. Then I'm going to add my potatoes in my cooking pot. Add some salt. Cover and let the potatoes boil until tender. So I'm going to be chopping up my vegetables. So I'm going to chop my onion. First off, we remove the skin. Cut the onion into strips, then you chop up into tiny pieces. I usually do this really fast because the onion always makes me cry. I don't know if this happens to everyone, but to me, my eyes are usually crying. Put this aside. Cut the bell peppers into thin strips. Then I'm going to chop into tiny little pieces. I'm using red pepper, so I'm also going to chop up. I always love using red bell pepper because it adds color and flavor to any dish you're cooking. So I'm also going to be using rosemary, and I always love rosemary in potatoes. It always brings out that sweet aroma. So I bought mine from Mama Mboga. As you can see, it is really fresh. It is so fresh. So you can also buy it from any supermarket in your area. So I'm going to remove the leaves from my rosemary. So you just unashika hivi alafu unatoa. It's that easy. Chop your rosemary. You can use rosemary in any potato dish. It always makes the potato really tasty. Check if your potatoes are ready. So you're going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to drain the water. I've drained my potatoes, so I'm going to use a masher and mash my potatoes. To this, I'm going to add salt, butter, and black pepper. Butter, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to mash again. To this, I'm adding onion and the rest of the vegetables. Then I'm going to mix using my spatula. Mix until well combined. As you can see, my potatoes are really colorful. And lastly, I squeeze a little bit of lemon. Now that my potatoes are ready, I'm going to wet my hands, then I'm going to make a patty, and then we are going to fry our patties. My hands are wet, so I'm going to take a little piece of the potatoes, and then I'm going to squeeze in and make a patty. I try and make it into a round shape, as so. Then I'm going to put that aside. Now I'm going to make the rest of the patties. Always make sure that your potatoes have cooled before making the patties. Refrigerate for about 20 minutes. Afterwards, place a pan on medium-high flame and add cooking oil. Put in your patties and fry until golden brown on both sides. You can get creative with seasoning or any add-ins. It is that easy. Add in some cooking oil. Make sure that your pan is well coated with the cooking oil. Then I'm going to drop the patties carefully. I love how golden my patties are. Now I'm going to take them out and put them on a paper towel so that they can drain the excess oil. So this is a quick one for you. If you refrigerate the patties, trust me, they won't fall apart. So don't skip refrigeration. Nothing is better than these absolutely delicious potato cakes. All you need is some sauce made with tomato sauce and a little bit of mustard to bring out that tanginess. So if you have some leftover potatoes, you can make them into these adorable, oh my god, so cute potato patties, and you can take them as a snack, as lunch. They're just so filling. So have a fantastic day and join me in my next episode. Bye bye.